Alright, welcome back to the channel. So this was a previous project I did on another video, but now I'm going to add a second panel to it. So both these panels are rated at 5 volts, 2.5 watts each. So combining this in parallel, hopefully it will boost up the amperage for our solar project. So if you want to check the results on that video, the link will be right up there on the right hand side corner if you want to check it out. Okay, so yellow will be a positive and black wire will be our negative. Okay, and we're gonna test this out. So first testing is in the shade, and it's putting out 0.04 milliamps. I wasn't expecting anything out of it in the shade. I didn't think the panels were going to be that strong to do that, but out in direct sun. So I was trying to show you the LEDs blinking on the Anchor power bank, but it's not showing on the camera. But in direct sunlight, it's giving more than half an amp, so it's 0.61, 62 milliamps. Voltage is 4.50 volts. So this is direct sun. So this is actually noon time. Alright, we are going to check out this 12 volt solar panel from Mighty Max Solar. It's rated at 10 watts. Okay, so hopefully it's going to give us a lot more amperage than these two solar panels combined in parallel. We're going to use the same module. If you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description. And luckily for this solar panel, it came with clips already, so didn't have to do much work. Alright, so we're gonna test the same power bank, but without a load from the solar panel. It's giving out 5.07 volts. Okay, so let's check out the amperage. The volts at 4.47 volts at the moment, giving out 0.42 amps, 45 around there in direct sunlight. So this is at noontime as well. So I was expecting a lot more than that, but it seems like our 5 volt solar panels are doing a lot more better in the sun. 4.50 volts at 0.62 milliamps, and our 12 volt solar panel is only giving 4.47 volts at 0.42 milliamps. So the voltage is a lot more lower, and also the milliamps or amperage is not that high. Okay, so that's all for this video. Check out the other videos if you are interested, and don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm just doing random stuff, so it's not all the same things, not just solar. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.